Level up with learning. When we learn new skills, it empowers us. It opens new opportunities and the potentials are limitless. Education is one powerful tool that has been changing the world. Investing in learning new skills is the best gift we can give ourselves and others this 2020. Are you ready to level up this 2020? Here are some freelancing skills you can learn online. 1. Freelancing course. Freelancing course is the How to Become a Virtual Assistant course. It offers a thorough guide on how one can start working remotely from scratch to success. It covers understanding what is freelancing, its setup and other freelancing basic skills to start with in order to get you running with your freelancing. If you need to learn how virtual assistance works and how to get started, this is the perfect course to kick off your freelancing career. 2. Social media management and marketing. Social media management and marketing are the most in-demand skills that you can learn this 2020. Social media is now the most effective trend when it comes to marketing. That's why this course is perfect when you are a person who loves social media. It will bring out your creativity and online marketing strategies as you're helping clients grow their brands. 3. SEO specialist. An SEO, search engine optimization, is a person who is responsible for ranking and optimizing the client's website in different SERP, search engine results pages like Google. SEO is crucial in a website's success as it leverages the website's online presence in the search engine and allowing potential customers to interact with the business. This course will teach you how to fully optimize a website to gain search traffic and stand out and get customers. 4. Real estate virtual assistant. Real estate virtual assistant is someone who assists real estate companies with their daily operations. This course will not only let you understand the real estate basics of the real estate world but will also empower you to help brokers and agents with their office and marketing tasks remotely. This is a high-paying and in-demand freelancing niche. 5. ClickFunnels. The ClickFunnels course is an avenue where you can learn how to create and manage funnels. Funnels in marketing mean a model describing the various stages of a prospect's journey from the first interaction with your brand to the ultimate goal, conversion. Conversion rate optimization is about moving people through your marketing funnel, turning them from prospects into raving, repeat customers. This course will teach you the different types of funnels that'll fix each customer's needs, creating the landing pages, and more. More business owners prefer funnels now than creating a website, so you can assist them when you enroll in this course. 6. Email marketing course. Email marketing course teaches you strategies on how to effectively help the client's email marketing campaigns. It allows you to not just understand how email marketing works but what are the proven techniques in creating compelling emails that convert. 7. E-commerce course. E-commerce Shopify is one of today's booming industry across the world. More and more people prefer shopping at the tip of their fingers and products delivered on their doorsteps. This is why many business owners are also setting online stores. This course will help you how to create your own e-commerce store or help clients who have online stores. This course will not only teach you e-commerce basics, Shopify navigations but also marketing and other techniques to make your e-commerce efforts successful. 8. Project management course. Project management course will enrich you to become an effective project manager. You will learn how to make your client's office a better place. This course will teach you everything you need to know about project management from planning to execution and your project management branding, so you will be fully ready to help clients while you are growing your own freelancing brand. 9. English for Freelancers course. English for Freelancers course allows you to be a confident freelancer by learning proper English skills. This course will focus on proper pronunciation, grammar, blog writing, copywriting and proofreading in copywriting. You'll learn how to communicate effectively and speak fluently. You can market yourself better and do so much more as a freelancer. 10. Online bookkeeping. Data rules everything in the business world. This is the reason why many business owners need online bookkeepers. The online bookkeeping course will teach you how you can start working as an online bookkeeper. From balance sheets, income statements to performing comprehensive analysis. This course also includes working with online bookkeeping platforms like QuickBooks. 11. Customer service representative. Customer service representative is essential to any business to build a relationship with customers, may it be through calls or chats. This course will help you understand and do the role of taking care of business customer relations like billing, sales and strategy, outbound and inbound calls, technical support, chat support and handling client complaints. 12. Video editing. The next few years are expected to use videos when it comes to marketing. This is excluding the use of videos in education, training, presentations, etc. Thus, the video editing course will be an avenue where you can earn big as a freelancer. This course will take you to steps on how to master video tricks like video enhancements, speed, zoom, tuning, blur, and screen recording, which can help you to bring more clients. 13. WordPress web design. WordPress web design course is another high-paying and in-demand freelancing skill. This course will teach you understanding web design and WordPress business branding for your website, getting a domain name and web hosting, navigating the cPanel and installing WordPress, connecting the web hosting and domain name, creating an email address with your domain name, exploring the back end of WordPress, installing a theme and customizing the appearance, installing plugins, creating pages and posts using page builders to design a website, signing up for MailChimp and creating a landing page, building an online shop using WooCommerce, building a membership site. 14. Front-end web development. Front-end web development is a certified money maker in freelancing. Many were able to elevate the quality of their lives through this freelancing niche. In this course, you will learn Introduction and Getting Ready HTML CSS Responsive Web Design JavaScript HTML DOM WordPress Quality Assurance Bonus, Intermediate SEO Setup. 15. Facebook Ads Marketing. Marketing is all about efficiency and scaling to engage as many people as possible. With the Facebook Ads Marketing course, we will teach you how to use Facebook ads in marketing to fully leverage your ad campaigns. Many clients use Facebook ads in reaching out to their customers, and this is where you can come in and help.